The world sees your victories, but it never sees your 3 a.m. struggles. It celebrates your achievements, but it doesn't witness the countless hours you spend doubting yourself, the moments you wanted to quit, the days when progress felt impossible. Right now, somewhere in this country, a student is burning the midnight oil for an exam that might change everything. A small business owner is working late trying to make ends meet while dreaming of expansion. A mother is learning new skills online after her children sleep, hoping to restart her career. An artist is creating in solitude, pouring heart into work that may never find an audience. These stories rarely make headlines. Social media doesn't capture the grinding persistence, the daily choice to keep going when nobody's watching. We live in a world obsessed with overnight success stories, but real transformation happens in the quiet moments between recognition and reward. Think about a tree growing in the forest. For years, its roots spread deep underground, invisible to everyone. The trunk strengthens slowly, branches extend gradually. Nobody applauds this patient growth. Yet, when storms come, this tree stands firm because of all that unseen preparation. Your struggles are like those roots, creating strength that others can't see but will eventually support everything you become. The hardest part about pursuing dreams isn't the work itself. It's continuing when your efforts feel invisible. When friends are out enjoying weekends while you're studying. When colleagues seem to advance faster despite your dedication. When family questions your choices because they can't see the vision you're building toward. But here's what I want you to understand deeply. Every single person who has achieved something meaningful has walked this exact path. They've all had moments of working in complete anonymity, wondering if their efforts mattered. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't talent or luck. It's the willingness to keep going when the work feels thankless. Your current struggle are not punishment, it's preparation. Every late night, every rejected proposal, every small step forward that nobody notices is building something inside you. Resilience, character, skills that can't be taught in classrooms or bought with money. You're becoming someone who can handle success when it arrives because you've learned to handle obscurity with grace. Remember, the sun doesn't stop shining because clouds hide it temporarily. Your worth doesn't diminish because others can't see your efforts right now. The universe has a strange way of keeping score, and every genuine effort gets recorded somewhere beyond human recognition. I know it's exhausting to be your own cheerleader, to motivate yourself when external validation is scarce, to believe in your path when others question it. But this phase of your journey is sacred. It's where real strength develops. It's where you learn to trust your own judgment over popular opinion. The world needs what you're building, even if it doesn't know it yet. Your unique perspective, shaped by these very struggles, will eventually serve others in ways you can't imagine. The empathy you're developing through hardship will help you connect with people who need exactly what you have to offer. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up and face another day of unseen effort, remember this. You're not working in vain. You're not forgotten. You're in the most important phase of your journey, the phase where champions are made in silence. Keep going because you know who you are becoming. Keep going because your future self is counting on your present persistence. Keep going because somewhere, someone needs the solution you are working toward, the art you're creating, the change you're fighting for. Your struggles may be invisible now, but your impact will be undeniable later. Trust the process, trust your efforts, and most importantly, trust yourself. The world is waiting for what you're building in the shadows.